Yeah. Okay, this is Doug Shea with Carrie Cadju and Todd Samples. We're at an undisclosed location that we'll just call Hines Creek.
Undisclosed secret location.
And we've been doing some research. We're Bigfoot Wilderness Research, and this is November 10th. What have we found today?
Found some footprints. We casted one, and we did hiking back into the forest, and we heard some knocking.
Three knocks. Actually, you two heard two knocks. I heard one. Well, we all heard. Actually, you two heard three. I heard one.
Yes.
And we also found some scat that we took some samples.
Yeah. So this seems to be a pretty good hot spot, doesn't it?
Yeah.
We'll be back in about 2 weeks to camp for 3-4 days.
That's right. And what I find so interesting about this spot, because this is in the general locality of where we found our footprints, April 30th, 2023.
Snow prints.
And we've been down here one other time, and we found several prints. We probably could have cast them, but because of the weather and because of the amount of material we have, we decided just to cast one. But what we found really interesting, and you'll see it in our pictures, what did we find that's really peculiar with some smaller cedar trees broken off at 6 feet tall?
They were just snapped. I mean, right off the top. Not
Yeah.
like they were broken and leaning. They were completely snapped off.
Yeah.
Two different trees.
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
One a single tree, and another one was a double tip. They were snapped off.
Yeah.
In
And
fact, there's a footprint over by one of the trees.
that's right.
Maybe
And
we can take a video of that.
okay, that sounds like a plan. And what I find really interesting is one looks like it's about a week or two old, which we were here a week or two ago. And then we come back today, and we were driving into this location, and we find this break that looks like it may have happened today.
Yeah.
So,
That's fresh.
yeah. And the one tree knock we received when we were near this, we're looking at springs and so forth, it was loud, wasn't it?
Loud. Yeah,
Extremely loud. And so it was almost as if it was telling us something.
Yeah.
And then the two knocks that Carrie and I heard were off to the left. Todd was crossing the creek, so he didn't hear, probably because of the creek, but because it's rained, the wood, it sounded like a wet hit on a wet tree. But
I think he's letting us know, or it is letting us know that we shouldn't be here.
yeah. Well, we're going to find out in about a couple weeks, aren't we?
Yep. We're camping here all night.
We're going to do a 4-day investigation. So
Yep.
this is a Bigfoot Wilderness Research, and you're going to hear more about us because we are legitimate researchers that are really looking for trying to find answers to all these things. So anyway, thanks for the interview, and we will talk to you soon.
See you next time.
Okay.